As of Q2 2026, total U.S. credit card debt has hit a record $1.28 trillion, with the average interest rate hovering around 21.5%. For the average consumer, making only the minimum payment on a $6,500 balance results in a 14-year debt cycle. When that balance is $20,000, the math becomes even more predatory. We are going to look at the specific systematic plan used to take a $20,000 debt across 3 major lenders and reduce it to exactly zero in 180 days. To begin, you need 3 pieces of data: your most recent credit card statements with their current APRs, your current FICO score, and a blank spreadsheet. Consumer debt is a mathematical equation. Once you alter the variables of interest and income, the 14-year trap collapses into a 6-month sprint. Step 1 is lowering the cost of your debt by negotiating directly with your current creditors. You call your bank and state that you are considering a debt consolidation loan to move your balance elsewhere. This creates leverage by signaling you are a flight risk to their interest revenue. Using this approach, a Chase Sapphire rate can be dropped from 24% to 18%, simply by leveraging a 5-year account history. For the high-interest debt that cannot be negotiated, we move to Step 2. Isolating the balance. Applying for a card like the Wells Fargo Reflect provides a 21-month window of 0% introductory APR. Moving $6,000 of your highest interest debt to this card stops the interest bleeding immediately, ensuring every dollar paid goes entirely toward the principal. This strategy only works if you stop using the old cards. If you add new charges to the accounts you just cleared, you are doubling your debt, not erasing it. These structural moves don't pay off the debt itself. They simply stop the interest from growing faster than you can pay it. Step 3 is focusing your capital. You need to organize your spreadsheet to prioritize math over emotion. In the debt avalanche method, sort remaining balances from the highest interest rate down. Unlike Snowball, Avalanche targets expensive debt first, dropping the principal faster. On a $20,000 balance, this saves an estimated $1,200 in interest over 6 months. This tracker becomes the absolute source of truth for the next 180 days. You ignore the balance sizes and only follow the rates. Optimization alone isn't enough. To hit a strict 180-day target, you need a massive influx of raw capital. The first phase is the no-spend challenge, switching to a $25 phone plan and canceling every premium subscription, from streaming services to the gym. To combat 10% inflation in 2026, you switch exclusively to generic brands and meal prepping. This pivot reclaims approximately $450 a month in existing cash flow. Because extreme budgeting eventually leads to burnout, you have to supplement these cuts with a temporary income accelerator. On the right side of this checklist is AI service arbitrage. While the initial weeks require setup and outreach, the goal is to scale your services to hit a $2,000 a month benchmark. You can stack this with digital products, like a debt tracker template on Etsy, which can generate a secondary stream of $300 a month once the listing gains traction. Here is the final math. When you combine your existing minimum payments with $450 in cuts and a side hustle scaling toward $2,300 in total monthly revenue, you create a $3,300 monthly debt-crushing engine. That is the exact amount required to evaporate a $20,000 balance in 180 days. Once your debt is negotiated, transferred, and tracked, the path to the finish line becomes a matter of pure consistency. This dashboard reflects the final transformation. In 6 months, the $20,000 balance is gone, and the reduction in credit utilization can jump a FICO score from 640 to 765. Your first step is in the description. Download the debt tracker template, call your bank, and initiate day 1. Financial freedom is never an accident. It is the inevitable result of ruthless, mathematically sound execution.